Understanding critical Micelle concentration when cleaning with detergents. The detergent molecule has two ends. One end loves water and hates oil. The other end loves oil and hates water. The negative charge at the interface of the two ends makes this an anionic surfactant. When detergent is added to water, the first thing that happens is a layer is formed at the surface and the water-hating side sticks out, breaking down surface tension. The water and detergent will stratify into layers of detergent, water, and detergent, all the way to the bottom. A layer of detergent will also cover all the surface of the container. Because detergents are surface-active agents, surfactants. Particles of hardness in water are also surrounded by the surfactant, creating a Micelle. The same magnetic charges will repel, holding the Micelle in suspension. Dust from a vacuum bag is sprinkled on a petri dish. Detergent is added in drops. A drop of hard water is added nearby. Detergent is added until the two meet. The soil sticks to the surface at the intersections. I will enlarge the side view of this intersection. The negative charge will face toward the surface, and the positive charge will be the top layer. Above that will be the suspended micelles. The particles of hardness will take detergent and partially form micelles. The incomplete micelle will expose a negative end. This negative end will attract to the positive charge at the surface with a greater force. Even after thorough rinsing, the soil remains stuck to the petri dish.